Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.4 question number 11. Measure and classify each angle. You have to measure angle AOB, right? You have to measure this angle with the help of protractor and you have to classify also. Since this is less than 90 degree, you can say it is a type of acute angle, right? This is acute angle. Acute angle. By observation also. Now angle AOC, see, this is greater than this because this is 90 degree. AOC is greater than 90 degree, therefore it is obtuse angle. It is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Angle BOC, you have to measure, right? This is actually 90 degree, therefore it is a right angle. BOC is right angle. DOC, it is also right angle, right? DOC is also right angle, right angle, right angle. DOA, you have to measure this angle and you will find that it is greater than 90 degree, therefore it is an obtuse angle. It is an obtuse angle. And DOB, that is 180 degree, therefore it is a straight angle, right? This is a straight angle. This is a straight angle, right? But you have to measure with the help of a protractor and after that you have to say acute angle means less than 90 degree, obtuse angle means greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, right angles is measure of 90 degree and obtuse angles is greater than 90 but less than 180 and straight angle is measure of 180 degree. You have to measure all these angles and after that you have to write the measure and the type of angle. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.